It's late dusk and I'm just going to show you my console swap I just completed today. Ordered the console off a guy on eBay, had it listed for 260 bucks shipped, so I had to grab it. The console is steel gray and black, which matches the rest of my interior, and I also lit it inside with LEDs so I can see what I'm doing at night. I just added a normally closed momentary contact switch from Radio Shack. I think it was about $3 for the switch and a pack of 4. And then it was just some extra LEDs I had laying around for my cabinet lights in my kitchen. I wired them all in, tucked all the wires behind the skins of the console, and then tied it into the rear power jack in the back here. And just tapped in there because that's a constant power. And what I plan on doing as well is adding a 110 volt inverter and using the Ford OEM plug-in and just cutting it into the back of this black console back here to make it look all factory and OEM, but I'll use an aftermarket inverter. I also plan to do some footwell lights underneath the front seats and up by the pedals and passenger sides. I think it turned out really good. Thanks for watching.